Hello my lovely students, how are you? Miss you so much. Today we are going to explain about consecutive multiples. They are numbers that follow each other in order, from the smallest to the greatest. For example, 20, 22, 24. They are called consecutive numbers because they are following each other by counting by 2, and from the smallest to the greatest. As you notice here, they end with even numbers, 0, 2, and 4. So we can call them consecutive multiples of 2 because multiples of 2 end with even numbers. And here also they end in 0, 2, and 4. So we call them consecutive multiples of 2. For example, write the number 263 between two consecutive multiples of 2. So we should find the number that comes just before 263 and the number that comes just after 263. That should be multiples of 2. So first step, we cross the unit digit, which is 3, and we place it by another unit digit, but it should be even because we need them multiples of 2. So we have 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Since we want to find the number that comes just before 263, so the unit digit should be less than 3. So it can be even 0 or 2. So we will choose 2. Why? Because it comes just before 3 directly. So the unit digit here will be 2. And the hundreds and the tens will remain the same. So we'll get the number 262. To find the second number, we add to the first number we obtained plus 2, since they are multiples of 2. 262 plus 2 give us 264. So 263 is between 262 and 264. They are multiples of 2 because they end both in even numbers. Here 2 and here 4. Another example. Write the number 263 between two consecutive multiples of 5. We have the same number as the previous example, 263, but we have to find the two consecutive multiples of 5. So as we know that multiples of 5 end even in 0 or in 5. So the first step, we cross the unit digit and we replace it by 0 because 0 is less than 5. So we put 0 in the unit digit and the hundreds and the tens remain the same. So we'll get 260. Then we add to the first number we obtained plus 5, since it is a multiple of 5. 260 plus 5, we will get 265. So 263 is between 260 and 265. They are both multiples of 5 because they end in 0 and in 5. The same if we have to write the number 263 between two consecutive multiples of 10. Multiples of 10 end in 0. So also the unit digit here will be 0, but we add plus 10 here since multiples of 10. We will get 270. They are multiples of 10 because they both end in 0. Now from the book, solve number 8. Among the following numbers, write the common multiples of 2 and 5. The numbers that are multiples of 2 and 5 at the same time. Number 9. We have to complete the multiples of 10 and answer the following questions. Number 10. Write 178 between two consecutive multiples of 10. Number 11, find the common multiples of 5 and 10 that are less than 83. And number 15, complete with true or false.